On today's video, a delicious chocolate strawberry tart. Whole food, plant-based, oil-free, and let me show you how to make it. Into a bowl, we're going to add 1 cup of almond flour, a half a cup of oat flour, 1 tablespoon of flax meal, add 1 tablespoon of water and start combining the flours. Add 2 tablespoons of date syrup and combine the flour till you reach a dough consistency, a cookie dough consistency. If the dough is too wet, just add a little bit of flour. If the dough is too dry, just add a little bit of water. Allow it to rest in the refrigerator for about 10 minutes. Then you want to add it to your mold. Shape the crust with a spatula or a cup, anything that can help you make this crust better. Once your crust is ready, you're going to add your filling. Now I'm going to be using the leftover filling from my chocolate cheesecake recipe. I'll leave a link for the recipe below. It's so delicious, and I had so much left over that I wanted to make a delicious tart. This recipe is so easy to make that you can make this in no time. Just quickly go to the other recipe and get the recipe, okay? Spread it all over your crust. I'm going to be adding some chopped peanuts and some shredded coconut. Now I'm just going to top it with some strawberries. Save this beautiful recipe for any celebrations or parties coming up. And there you have it, a whole food plant-based strawberry chocolate tart. Very delicious, it's sweet and amazing. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.